right? It doesn't bother me. Just let it run. Those three assessments in general will have the same set of questions with the same answers every single time, but there'll be a little group of them where they flip back and forth between yeses and nos and unknowns, yeses and nos and unknowns for different reasons. But that to me is the signal that the LLM couldn't figure it out. And then me, the human, I can go, those are the questions I need to answer, right? The other questions, they were obvious from the docs, they were obvious from the RFCs, they were obvious from an analysis of the code base itself. I'm willing to trust those, right? But the ones where it flipped back and forth or couldn't get to a conclusion and reliably flipped back and forth, reliably could not get to the conclusion, that's on me. I got to go find the answer. And then that's what I put into the pre-configured startup kit. So the next time it doesn't have to do it.
Nice. Yeah, I love this. When we were talking about this before the recording, kind of taking this non-determinism situation that we're all in now,
Mhm.
and trying to get it back into this binary situation that we grew up with and understand yes and no, and like how to
Yeah.
build systems that are repeatable and sustainable and operational and blah blah blah.
Yep.
Non-determinism brings in this whole level of behavioral, uh, you know, analysis, and we use words like guardrails or harnesses or things that, even if it's a technical term, mentally it's meant to like create the mental model of you have control of these things. Um, and that's actually also a kind of a false mental model, I think, in most people's experience when they're trying to get an AI to give them something. But what you've done here is you've been so explicit and prescriptive and thorough